Let's explore the Caribbean. Here in the Caribbean, we're predominantly coffee people, but there's still a strong tea culture that resonates through our shared history. First up is Moringa. Moringa is also known as the tree of life to some people, or the tree that brings life because of its nutrient-rich properties, as well as its ability to stay green even in periods of drought. From root to stem, all aspects of the moringa tree are edible and have been used for thousands of years across tropical climates. It's endemic to South Asia and originated in the Himalayan foothills, according to the FAO. Gram for gram, moringa trees have one of the most nutrient-rich leaves of any edible plant known to us. My grandparents were the first ones to introduce me to moringa, mainly as an immune booster, something they'd give me in the morning before I'd go to school, and in their words, to make sure that my body is strong. Not really sure sometimes what they mean, but I know they meant well. And it didn't taste too bad either. I'd usually be given the moringa seed itself, and sometimes I'll get moringa tea. Out here, tea generally refers to any cup of hot water with a herb or a leaf mixed in. And sweeten as you please. Tea also holds a form of resilience among those who were enslaved. Steeping roots and leaves in hot water became a means of survival. Enslaved healers used their memory of herbs from their birth country along with the environments in their new home. You'll see probably 3 major types of mint: spearmint, peppermint, and black mint, which I've mostly seen here in Jamaica. If you ever audibly complain about a stomach ache or a headache, chances are a Caribbean person would offer you a cup of mint tea. It usually starts out as a shrub, but it can easily grow into an overwhelming bush. Preparation for mint follows similar steps to moringa leaves. Make sure the leaves are clean, There are no bugs or little creatures living on them. Washed, and then you put it in a pot of water to boil. The amount of water really depends on how many leaves you have, and that varies person to person. So take your time, adjust, and try. Once it's finished boiling, strain, and you're good to go. It's hard to oversteep or overboil, but if you notice you're overboiling, just add some more water to dilute. Fever grass. Well, we call it fever grass. Others might know it as lemongrass. In Jamaica, it might be common in some areas to see people just chewing on the fibrous ends of fever grass as a form of breath freshener. Very convenient, smells great, and it's fun to chew. So why not? In the Caribbean, what we call tea isn't just a drink to sit down and enjoy for your afternoon. It's also a remedy and a heritage of survival.